welcome back to Mini Lessons with Miss H. And today we're going to do Unit 4, Week 1, page 151. So, the stories we're going to focus on these 2 weeks are Rainforest and Alaska, a Special Place. Alright? We're going to focus on compare and contrast, the comprehension skill. And we're going to focus on compound words for our vocabulary strategy. For writing traits, we're going to learn about ideas. For grammar, we're going to learn about linking verbs is, are, am, was, and were. Structural analysis, we're working on re, un, dis, full, and less. And for mechanics, we're learning the capitalization of proper nouns and special places. All right, so let's review our vocabulary words for these 2 weeks, for this unit. Eerie, strange and scary. Growth, the act of growing. Layers, levels or folds on top of each other. Lively, full of life or energy. Location, a certain place or position. Region, a large area. Seasons, 1 or 4 parts of a year. Temperate, not too hot or too cold. So our first high-frequency words. Our first set of high-frequency words for the week. For week 1 are many, morning, through, very, and below. Our second set of high-frequency words are sleep, eat, colors, down, and dark. So these are the words that we're going to read in the story, okay? All right, so now I'm going to read to you the directions, and I'm going to give you 5 minutes to complete these words, fill in the blanks as best as you can, okay? Choose the word from the box that makes sense in each blank. Then write the word on the line. All right? So you're going to use the words I just gave you the definitions to, and you're going to put them through 1 through 8. All right? Ready, set, go. let's review. So remember, if you picked the correct word, what Mr. Hernandez wants you to do is put a happy face next to the answer, to the question. And if you didn't pick the correct answer, I want you to write it right below it, okay? Number 1. The high area of the country is the mountain region. So for number 1, you should have written region. And if you got it right, you put a happy face. If you didn't, you're going to write it next to or under it, okay? Number 2. A growth of wildflowers fills the meadow. So number 2 was growth. Number 3. Our class had a lively party at the end of the year. Our class had a lively party at the end of the year. Number 4. The weather is different in the winter and summer seasons. The weather is different in the winter and summer seasons. Number 5. The empty house gave us an eerie feeling. The empty house gave us an eerie feeling. Don't forget to put a happy face next to the ones you got correct. Number 6. The gardener digs down through layers of sand and dirt. The gardener digs down through layers of sand and dirt. Number 7. It is not too hot or too cold in a temperate climate. It is not too hot or too cold in a temperate climate. And number 8. Where is the location of your town on the map? Where is the location of your town on the map? So remember, there's 8 questions, so I want you to write however many you got correct at the top out of 8. All right, so however many happy faces you got, you put right here at the top. Okay, and the ones that you got wrong, that's okay. You just know you have to practice those words before the vocabulary test next week, Thursday or Wednesday. Okay, so until next time, bye.